When a storm hits your home, the damage can feel overwhelming, but you don't have to face it alone. At AWR Restoration and Cleaning, we specialize in fast, professional storm damage restoration for homeowners across Kent, Washington. Our experts respond quickly to assess the damage, from roof leaks to flooding and structural issues. We handle immediate water removal, full drying, debris cleanup, and all necessary repairs to get your home safe, clean, and restored. We also help with insurance documentation, so your recovery process is as smooth as possible. Storms are unpredictable, but expert restoration doesn't have to be. With over 30 years of experience, AWR Restoration and Cleaning responds fast to assess storm damage, handle water removal, drying, debris cleanup, and repairs, so your home is safe, clean, and restored. We also help with insurance documentation, making your recovery as smooth as possible. Let AWR Restoration and Cleaning restore your home in peace of mind. Call us today at 253-364-0092 or visit advancedwaterrestoration.com to schedule your storm damage restoration service.